Yes, Simple Mobile offers various extensions to provide flexibility for its users. Let's break them down. Simple Mobile provides a 7-day grace period for monthly bill payments. This means if you miss your payment due date, you have up to 7 days to pay without your service being interrupted. If you don't pay within this grace period, your service will be temporarily suspended, but it can be reactivated once you make a payment. Simple Mobile enhanced its app and website for easier payment tracking and reminders. If you run out of data mid-cycle, Simple Mobile allows you to purchase a data extension. You can buy additional data, e.g., 1 gigabyte, through the Simple Mobile app or website. Plan extensions are available for all active plans, and they are processed instantly for most users. Simple Mobile offers a range of add-ons, including extra data packs up to 10 gigabytes, international calling minutes, and device protection plans. They also have eco-friendly add-ons like carbon-neutral shipping options for SIM kits. Add-ons are seamlessly integrated into the app for easy purchase. Here's what you need to know about using Simple Mobile's extensions. Payment grace period. Remember that the 7-day grace period is a buffer to prevent immediate service loss if you miss a payment. It applies to all prepaid plans, but make sure to pay within the grace period to avoid suspension. Plan extensions. Plan extensions are microtransactions that allow you to add data or talk text minutes to your existing plan without changing the entire plan. This is great for avoiding overage charges. Add-ons. Simple Mobile offers optional extras, such as data add-ons that are temporary data boosts expiring at the end of your billing cycle. Service add-ons include international roaming, voicemail to text, or device insurance. Device-related add-ons are protection plans for your phone. Keep an eye out for app-based extensions and consider the eco-friendly options. Also, be aware that Simple Mobile might introduce subscription bundles in the future, like annual data packs. Check Simple Mobile's website or app for the most current information on policies.